Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Very important part, the Google PPC. The 8 OS PPC ad campaign, PPC marketing and PPC strategy, Google ad, paid social media ad, Amazon ad, etc. etc. The 8 OA PPC pay-per-click ad campaign and PPC marketing, PPC strategy, Google Ads, social paid ads. PPC marketing can be highly profitable when a proper strategy is created and the right PPC picture are used. It is essential to be aware of all the type OS of PPC pay-per-click ads that are available to your website, your business, your page, your blogs, as well as when you should be using them. When you have this knowledge, you can start to create a pay-per-click or PPC marketing strategy that use the right campaign type of achieve your marketing your marketing goals. A good PPC agency, a good PPC will always take time understanding your business goal and that taken time to match up your requirement with them type or OS PPC ad they are able. In these blogs and going to decide 8 of the most common PPC and type that are able to people writing PPC advertising. The 8 OA PPC ad campaign and PPC marketing, PPC strategy. Number 1, search ad. Number 2, display ad. Number 3, remarketing ad. Number 4, video ad. Number 5, shopping ad. Number 6, paid social media ad. Number 7, Gmail sponsor ad. Number 8, Amazon advertising. So my others videos PPC step by step lot of share, but these videos just one topics and lectures, my classes. But again to repeat the 8 OS type of 8 PPCs and ad campaign. Number 1, search ad. Number 2, display ad. Number 3, remarketing ad. Number 4, video ads. Number 5, shopping ad. Number 6, paid social media ad. Number 7, Gmail sponsor ad. Number 8, Amazon ad. My old videos, all details, just these videos 8 OS details lecture on class Amazon advertising. Amazon advertising. Amazon has a consideration amount of volume with 8 million people visiting Amazon every day. 208 million people visit Amazon every day. Amazon has a best product range and sell over 50 million products online in more shopping where starting their online shopping journeys of Amazon. Of Amazon. Google. This start mean that e-commerce business should not overlap Amazon advertising. If you have a business selling on Amazon, then with so many business on Amazon, it can be challenged to grade your products to appear in front of your customers. Therefore, Amazon option paid Amazon advertising. While business can use a pay-per-click PPC model, grade their product in front of people who are sharing for your product. There are generally three types of campaign type on Amazon: advertising platform, sponsor product ad, handling search ad, product display ad. Sponsor product ad show an ad on win the search result. Your ad will be shows when of your keywords has been searched for. Handle search ads show an ad on the top of this page. Your ad will be shows when on of your keywords has been searched for. Product display ad shows picture of your actual products just like with a shopping campaign. We have seen good result with Amazon advertising. However, if you are doing paid advertising to your Amazon page, as well as to your website, then make sure you look at total sale as well. This is because there are doing of Amazon advertising, taking sale from your website. Common platform to create Amazon ads on Amazon advertising. There are many PPC advertising platforms and the type available in this blog. I have speak about PPC type of 8 OS advertising, and PPC advertising bring with search campaign on Google Ads. This is obtained Google starting point for a lot of PPC advertising. However, there are many more options available. A new type of PPC advertising strategy that write your business. Now they know more about the various ad type. For more details, guide who not request manage a Google ad accounts. Have repeat our blogs on PPC management, pay-per-click management. The friends or students, 8OI pay-per-click ad campaign marketing and PPC strategy, Google Ads, paid ads, and Amazon. I am details of Amazon advertising. I am again repeat the 8-way PPC ad. Number 1, search ad. Number 2, display ad. Number 3, remarking ad. Number 4, video ads. Number 5, shopping ad. Number 6, paid social media ad, social ad. Number 7, Gmail sponsor ad. Number 8, Amazon ad. These videos the total Amazon advertising. I'm again some repeat. Amazon 208 million people visit Amazon every day. 15 million products online, and Amazon then Google. Amazon advertising and 3-step: sponsor products ad, handle search ad, product display ad. Thank you. Best of luck.